Good afternoon. This is Rolita Noble, your Thrive Coach, and I'm coming to you this afternoon with a very brief video. This afternoon, I want to talk to you about 3 questions to better health in retirement. When you think about retirement, most of the time we think about our financial plans. But today, I want to talk to you briefly about what are your health plans, and not just your insurance plan. What are your health plans for after retirement? So today I'm going to start with question number 2, and that is, have you thought about what health plan steps you can implement right now? Have you thought about what health plan steps you can implement right now? What can you start to do right now that will support you in experiencing better health in retirement? I've written a complete article about it. And if you're interested in reading more about it, you can click the link below this video and it'll take you to the complete article. I hope you're having an outstanding day, and I'll see you next time.